All right, walk with me over here. New project in the shop. Ended up grabbing this at a flea market. It's a Camillus Electrician knife. And yeah, I snagged it up real quick. I thought it was in pretty good condition overall. Has a little bit of scratching on the blade. Of course, the usual rust inside the liners as well. Very heavily. But you know what? Ultrasonic cleaner will take care of that. I do have an issue with this main blade. As you can see, it's not fully opened. It's kind of leaning. See that? So I don't know what's going on with that. Something in here is messed up. It's kind of sharp actually, this knife, but look at it. See? Open it, it's like that. So it's supposed to be up more, okay? Let's see if I can illustrate that. So it's supposed to be up here like that. See that? Huge gap. So that's another issue to address as I restore her. Alright, so with that being said, let's get right into it. Half stop, by the way. Love that half stop. How would look? Not bad, huh? Wow. Good find right here. Okay, let's get to it. All right, let's see how we're looking here. All right, looking pretty good. Ultrasonic cleaner always does a great job. That's an awesome purchase, by the way. So let me see if I can address this next. See what it is. I'm gonna put some light in there. Maybe it's just some debris that's stuck in between the spring and the blade. That's what I'm hoping for. If not, I'm gonna have to grind that, try to get it to go up. So we'll see. I like it, looking pretty good. How's this? Yeah, that's good. All right, put some light over here. See if I can fish anything out here. Let's see what's going on with this thing. Maybe they just did it like that out of the factory. It's just an eyeball, you know. Sometimes it happens. Yeah, I don't see any debris. There's no debris in here. It's the way they ground the blade. Let me compare it to this other one here. Okay. Oh yeah, clearly, that's exactly what's going on. Wow, that needs to be notched out quite a bit. So it's an easy fix, but yet difficult. Easy because it's just grinding, but difficult because I need to take it apart without damaging anything, and I'm really not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it alone, and it's going to be a unique piece. That's what it's going to be. So I do like these unique pieces. I have another electrician knife, also unique. I forgot the name of this ring here, but instead of being down here, it's actually in the front. And I haven't seen one, so it's one of a kind so far. So this one is going to be a one of a kind, unless some kind of miracle happens here. But I can also grind the spring, but I would have to take it apart, like I mentioned. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and buffer out and get rid of the surface rust of whatever was left behind, which ultrasonic cleaner never leaves anything behind. So let me get going with this. Shout out to the Special Solution. All right, here we go. Alright, just finished her up. As you can see, she came up pretty good. Did the best I could inside there. Of course, the best possible scenario is taking her completely apart, but we're not going to do that. As you can see, that shape, that angle there for the main blade is unique. So there was no debris in there. It is what it is. And yeah, I'm loving it. Came up pretty good overall. So I didn't put no acid etching on this. Just left it all original. Just sharpened it. That's it. Very simple procedure, guys. So with that being said, I guess it's on to the next project. Here we go.